Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? Hope you are fine. Welcome to class 6. Today is our English class. Dear students, open your books and come on the unit number 1, section 3. The name of the lesson is Dear Mum. This poem, written by a child to his mother, is in the form of a letter. It describes the kind of mischievous things children do when their parents are not around. The child in the poem is not only naughty but also very clever. Do you agree? Dear Mum, while you were out, a cup went and broke itself. A crack appeared in the blue vase. Your granddad brought back from China, somehow without me even turning on the tap. The sink mysteriously overflowed. A strange jam stain about the size of a boy's hand appeared on the kitchen wall. I don't think we will ever discover exactly how the cat managed to turn on the washing machine, especially from the inside, or how the self-raising floor managed to self-raise. I can tell you I was scared when, as if by magic, a series of muddy footprints appeared on the new white carpet. Now come on the page 29. I was being good, honest, but I think the house is haunted, so knowing you are going to have a fit, I have gone over to Gran's for a bit. I will tell you a short summary of this poem. The poem Dear Mum is basically all about the innocence of a child, and like this child, the other children hide all the mischievous things they do. Like in this poem, the child do a lot of mischievous and even broke a blue vase, but he tells that these are done by the host and not by him, and all other stuff just happened on its own and he was not responsible. In the beginning of the poem, the child talked in a poetic manner and addressed his mother that the cup automatically got out and broke itself. It was his plan to hide the actual thing, that it was broken by himself, and so his mother might feel that he was not lying. The child left the tap open and the sink overflowed. Mysteriously, he caused the jam stain on the kitchen wall. He blamed the cat which ran the washing machine. He also spoiled new carpet with his footsteps. He did all these mischievous acts in the absence of his mother. By writing a letter to his mother, he tries to suggest that he is not responsible for any of them. He cleverly put the blame on a host and also ran away to his grandmother's to avoid his parents' anger. ये नज़म प्यारी माँ एक बच्चे की मासूमियत पर मबनी है और इसकी तरह के दूसरे बच्चे भी अपनी शरारती बातों को छुपा लेते हैं। इस नज़म में बच्चे ने बहुत सी शरारतें की और एक नीला गुलदान जिसमें दरार पड़ गई, लेकिन वो बताता है कि ये सब किसी भूत ने किया और सब कुछ खुद ब खुद हो गया, वो इसका ज़िम्मेदार नहीं है। नज़म के शुरू में शायराना अंदाज में बात करता है और अपनी माँ को मुखातिब करते हुए कहता है कि एक प्याला खुद ब खुद गिरा और टूट गया। ये इसका मंसूबा था कि वो ख़ुद सारी चीज़ें छुपा लेगा ताकि इसकी माँ को शक ना हो कि वो झूठ बोल रहा है। बच्चे ने खुद ही नलका खुला छोड़ दिया और सिंक पानी से उमड़ आया। उसने बावर्ची खाने की दीवार से जैम से धब्बा डाल दिया। इसने बिल्ली को इल्ज़ाम दिया कि इसने वॉशिंग मशीन चला दी है। इसने अपने गंदे कदमों से नए कालीन को ख़राब कर दिया। बच्चा ये सब शरारतें अपनी माँ की गैर मौजूदगी में करता है। अपनी माँ को ख़त लिखते हुए वो ये बताने की कोशिश करता है कि वो इनमें से किसी भी चीज़ का ज़िम्मेदार नहीं है। वो चालाकी से सारा इल्ज़ाम भूत पर डाल देता है और अपने वालिदैन के गुस्से से बचने के लिए घर से अपनी दादी के घर चला जाता है। Now I will tell you the difficult words and their meanings. Do you write down on your notebooks? First one is mischievous. Mischievous means naughty, crack, a small opening, appear, to become visible, mysteriously, secretly, stain, spot. Series. Several events are things of a similar kind that happen one after the other. And next one is the haunted, believed to be visited by host. Now dear students, I will tell you the question answers of this poem. Who do you think might have really caused these things to happen? The child might have really caused these things to happen. Who do you think might have really caused these things to happen? The child might have really caused these things to happen. Question number 2. The child in the poem says, without me even turning on the tap, the sink mysteriously overflowed. Is this possible? No, this is not possible. What might have caused the sink to overflow? The child left the tap open and the sink overflowed. Explain the meaning of mysterious in this line. Mysterious means something that cannot be explained or understood. The child in the poem says, without me even turning on the tap, the sink mysteriously overflowed. Is this possible? No, this is not possible. So number B. What might have caused the sink to overflow? The child left the tap open and the sink overflowed. Explain the meaning of mysterious in this line. Mysterious means something that cannot be explained or understood. Which of the things that the boy describes is most unbelievable? The cat managing to turn on the washing machine from inside is the most unbelievable thing described by the boy. Which of the things that the boy describes is most unbelievable? The cat managing to turn on the washing machine from inside is the most unbelievable thing described by the boy. So dear students, you write down the words meaning and also make the sentences of these difficult words. Write down the question answers of this unit on your notebooks. Read them and also learn them. If you have any confusion, you can contact on the school official number. I say Allah Hafiz to all of you.